How to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi calling on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we go down and tap on connections. Then tap on Wi-Fi calling. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Wi-Fi calling. Now in here, you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and then you can customize your calling preference. So from here, you can choose Wi-Fi preferred or mobile network preferred. And so select one of the available options. And here said, make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. Or we can choose mobile network preferred. Finally, tap on the back key and tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.